Tom back to T channel everyone. Today, beri divin into T 2025 Chevrolet Spark, a compact hatchback chat continues to impress with its blend of affordability, practicality, and modern features. Here yore a chitty dweller or samiane seeking an efficient daily driver, T Spark has so much to offer. Let's explore what makes this year's model stand out. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Sport showcases a refreshed design that balances contemporary aesthetics with its compact dimensions. The front face features a bold grille flanked by sleek headlights, giving the car a more assertive presence on the road. The body lines are clean and aerodynamic, contributing to improved fuel efficiency and a more modern look. Available in a variety of colors, including Caribbean blue, Nichtfall grey, and toasted marshmallow, the Spark offers options to suit diverse tastes. Its compact size makes it ideal for urban environments, allowing for easy maneuverability and parking in tight spaces. Moving inside, the interior of the 2025 Spark has been thoughtfully designated to maximize space and comfort. Despite its small footprint, the cabin feels surprisingly spacious, thanks to smart design choices and efficient use of space. The dashboard layout is user-friendly, with intuitive controls and a central touchscreen that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless connectivity. The seats are comfortable, and the rear bench provides adequate space for passengers, making it suitable for small families or groups. Storage options are ample, which adds the trunk and additional compartments to store personal items. Under the hood, the 2025 Spark is powered by a button 3-liter 4-cylinder engine that delivers 96 horsepower, paired with a beige-speed manual transmission. This setup provides a balance of power and fuel efficiency, making it well suited for both city driving and longer commutes. The Spark's handling is nimble, offering responsive steering and a smooth ride, even on less than ideal road surfaces. While it's not a performance car, it delivers a high yield expect from a compact hatchback, practicality and efficiency without compromising on driving enjoyment. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Chevrolet Spark remains an affordable option in the compact car segment. In Uzbekistan, the Spark is assembled locally by UzAuto Motors, ensuring competitive pricing and availability. While specific pricing can vary based on trim levels and optional features, the Spark continues to be one of the most budget-friendly vehicles in its class, making it an attractive choice for first-time car buyers, students, or anyone seeking an economical mode of transportation. In conclusion, the 2025 Chevrolet Spark stands out as a practical, efficient, and affordable option in the compact car market. Its refreshed exterior design, comfortable and tech-savvy interior, reliable performance, and competitive pricing make it a compelling choice for a wide range of